Mini Street between Victoria Street West and John Street West for the fire alarm and smell of smoke. All parties evacuating. That's 203 Mini Street between Victoria Street West and John Street West. Time of first page is 20:03. North Huron, Wingham Fire, North Huron, Wingham Fire, please respond at 203 Mini Street between Victoria Street West and John Street West for a fire alarm with the smell of smoke present, multi-unit building, all parties evacuating. That's 203 Mini Street between Victoria Street West and John Street West for a fire alarm and smell of smoke. Time of second page is 20:03, Wingham Fire, please respond.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, Car 4.
Car 4, go ahead.
Car 4 acknowledges the page for the Wingham Station. Wingham Station will be responding shortly.
That's Roger, Car 4 acknowledges page for Wingham Station. Wingham Station responding shortly, 20:04:30.
Fire dispatch, you can show North Huron Engine 1 responded. Mini Street for a fire alarm, Charlie +5 Delta.
Roger, Engine 1 responding, Charlie +5 Delta, 20:07:58.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Latitude 2 responding, Bravo Delta Delta.
Roger, Ladder 2 responding, Bravo Delta Delta, 20:08:20.
Fire dispatch, show Engine 6 responding, Foxtrot +3 Belton.
Roger, Engine 6 responding, Foxtrot +3 Delta, 20:08:47.
Fire dispatch, you can show Car 4 responding, command vehicle.
Roger, Car 4 responding, command vehicle, 20:09:06.
Fire dispatch, you can show North Huron Engine 1 arriving on scene. Nothing showing, Charlie B command, expand wheel mobile. You can also show 2 OPP on scene.
Roger, Engine 1 on scene, nothing showing, Charlie command and mobile times 2 OPP on scene, 20:09:35.
Fire dispatch, Ladder 2 on scene.
Ladder 2 on scene, 20:09:54.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Alright, command.
Dispatch, and speaking with the OVP and tenants on scene, they believe somebody overcooked something, but they're not sure, so I'll be sending a crew in to investigate.
That's Roger, command. OVP and tenants on scene believe smell to be coming from cooking, sending in a crew to investigate, 20:11 hours.
Command Hotel.
Go ahead, Hotel Command.
Do you want Tank 9 to respond?
That's negative at this point.
Command Entry 1.
Go ahead, Entry 1, Command.
Yeah, we made entry. We got light smoke. Says he was cooking chicken wings. We're just going to do an investigation here.
Roger that. Entry 1. Arthur Command, Engine 2. Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead, command.
Show a 360 in progress. Entry 1 is gaining access to apartment. The tenant said that he burnt some chicken wings. Entry 1 will be investigating.
That's Roger, Command 360 in progress. Entry 1 has gained access to an apartment where the tenant has burnt chicken wings. Entry 1 investigating 2013-27.
North Huron Command, call Engine 6. Go ahead, Engine 6, Command. You want us to carry on to scene, or do you want us to stand by in Belgrave? Engine 6, you can probably just stand down and return to station. Copy that. Engine 6 returning to Blyth Station.
Command.
Roger, Engine 6 returning to Blyth Station 2014-13.
Command, call Entry 1.
Go ahead, Entry 1, Command.
Yeah, we have nothing short on the tick. I think if we just bring the ventilation fan, we'll just do a few minutes of ventilating, and we should be good.
Roger that. I'll get somebody to meet you at the door with the van.
Command, Entry 1, ventilation underway.
Roger that. Entry 1. Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead, Command.
Source the problem to somebody cooking. We'll just be doing a little bit of ventilation.
That's Roger, source of problem to cooking. Venting scene at 2016-36.
Command, Entry 1, you can show ventilation complete. We're just doing a smoke detector check.
Roger that, Entry 1. Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead.
Ventilation complete. We'll just be doing a quick smoke alarm check.
That's Roger. Entry team has completed ventilation and doing a smoke detector check at 2021-28.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead.
Property is being left with property owner. Command to be terminated. All units clear and return to Wingham Station.
That's Roger. Command, you've left the property with the property owner. All units are clear, returning to Wingham Station 2027-11.